Hi everybody. So Dr. G. Rangaracharam is professor in mechanical department, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. So my topic is machining process and reciprocating machining tool is my topic. Now going to reciprocating machining tools. The tool or workpiece motion will be reciprocation. If tool stationary and work is in the motion, if work is stationary and tool is in the motion, that is called reciprocating. Then the application of this reciprocating machine is machining surfaces and profile creation, slots, keyway and grooves, etc. Then the types of reciprocating machine tools are shaping machine, planing machine and slotting machine. The three main types of tool machining process. Then it is a reciprocating type of machine tool used for producing a flat surface, and surfaces may be horizontal or vertical inclined. Because the modern shaper can produce contoured surfaces. It is used for reciprocating a straight line motion of the tool and a perpendicular feed of the job of the tool. By moving the workpiece across the path of the reciprocating tool, a flat surface is generated regardless of the shape of the tool. The main types of shapers are, according to the ramp driving mechanism, is crankshaper, gear shaper, hydraulic shaper, and according to the position and travel of ramp, horizontal shaper and vertical shaper, and according to the direction of the cutting stroke, push cut shaper, draw cut shaper, and according to the design of the cable, that is standard shaper and universal shaper. The first is shaping machine. The shaping machine is the construction of this shaping machine is first the base and pull gear, crank, column, lead screw, ramp, tool head, table, beds. They are the main parts. And this main portion is the column portion, the crank and pull gear and the pinion wheel and motor. This is the construction. Then motor is connected to the belt and belt is converted to the rotate the pinion gear and pinion gear is rotated in the pull gear. So pull gear is slide in the crank. This crank is slide over the pull gear and the ram is fitted at the top of the crank. So they rotate the pull gear, the crank will be oscillated, and the ram is moved into the reciprocating motion. Okay, the tool is fixed in the tool head and the tool head is moved into the to and fro motion. Then the workpiece is fixed to the table. So now to cut the material, the tool is moved to the forward direction and the return stroke, the metal is not removed. Okay, the forward stroke only, the metal is cutting. The main part is the base. The base is the overweight of the machine. This is the overweight of the machine. And column portion, it is the support for the all crank and the pull gears on in this column portion. The main part is base, column, cross rail, table, ram, tool gates. That is the base. The shaper base is the heavy structure of the cast iron. It's a made up of cast iron material. It supports all other parts of the assembles. Then it resists the vibration and high compressive loads being the cast iron. So the cast iron material withstand the vibration and high compressive loads that will be used. Then the base is bolted down to the soft flow through the foundation bolt. Next, the column portion. The column is the structure of cast iron and houses the operating mechanism of the machine. It also provides support for other parts of the machine, such as ramp, cross rail, column consists of two vertical bars, which are support on the shaper base. Then cross rail. The cross rail block is mounted on the front two vertical guideways of the column. The cross rail blocks have two parallel horizontal guideways in the vertical plane and perpendicular to the axis of the ram. Next one is the saddle. So the saddle moves on the cross-rail block and it carries on the table, on the work table, on it such that the crosswise movement of the saddle by rotating the cross feed screw by hand or power max of the table move in the sideways. The table is firmly connected to the saddle. It gets crosswise and vertical movement from the saddle and cross rail. Then there is a ram. So ram is reciprocating member with the tool head mounted on the front face. A ram is semi-cylindrical in form the rigid structure heavily ribbed inside. It is on two accurately machined guideways, that is the dovetail type. They are made on the top of the column wall. The ram is connected to the reciprocating mechanism of quick return that is housed inside the hollow of the column. Inside the ram is housed to the mechanism for altering the ram position with respect to the jaw. Then tool head or saper head. So tool head, it is mounted front end of the ram and it has to provision is being swiveled in any direction for the shaping angular surface. The tool is held on the tool post. This is working. The reciprocating motion of the ram is obtained by the quick return mechanism. This forward and the return stroke is constitute one compression cycle of the saper. Then the central large bull gear receives on rotating from the motor through the belt pulley, that is clutch, speed gear box and then pinion. The rotating of the crank cases, oscillation of the link and thereby reciprocation of the ram, and hence the tool is straight path. Then main advantage of the shaping machine is the single point cutting tools used in saper and inexpensive. The tool can be easily grounded to any desirable shape. The simplicity and easy of holding work, this easy adjustment and the simple tool give the saper its great flexibility. Then saper setup is very quick and easy and can be readily changed from one job to another. The thin or fragile job can be conveniently machined on saper because of lower cutting forces. Then next type is planing machine tool. The planing machine is used to produce the plan and flat surface by a single point cutting tool. It is also a reciprocating type of the machine tool. Cutting speed is achieved by a reciprocating work table that moves past the cutting tool. It is similarly saper, but its size is very large and adapted for producing flat surface of much larger work than a saper. This types of planing machine, that is standard or double housing planner and open side planner, pit type planner, edge of plate planner, then dividing table planner, then planing mill. Then this is the construction of this double housing planner. This is supporting two columns. Then in between the grass beam is supporting the column, and the main parts of the base, column, then cross rail, the tool head. In the table is the rack and bed arrangement in the bottom side of the table. Then the motor is rotated to the belt drive. There are three types of drives: belt drive, gear drive. Then mainly the planing machine used for this belt drive mechanism, that is open and cross belt drive mechanism. Then this is in this mechanism table is moved into to and fro motion and the tool is in stationary. Then the work table is a very large and the large workpiece is fitted to the table compared to other saper. Then Same time, it's a multi cutting operation, that is a vertical cut and a horizontal cut. It's also cutting over same time. Then the main parts is bed, table, housing, or column, cross line, tool head, and driving. This the simple and the kinematic system of planning machine. They enable transmission and rotation of the main motor into the reciprocating motion. The large work table and the slower transferred feed mechanism motion, the further vertical of the tool. The reciprocation of the table, which is import the cutting motion to the job, is attained by rack and pinion mechanism. Then the rack is fitted with the table and bottom surface of the pinion. It is fitted to the outputs of speed gearbox, which not only enable change in the number of strokes per minute, but also quick return of the table. The blocks holding the cutting tool are moved horizontally along the rail by screw nut system, and the rail is again moved up to the down by the another screw nut pad. Then the specification of the planning machine is a horizontal distance between two vertical housing, maximum stroke length of the table, then size of the table, then height of cross rail from top of the table, then type of drive, then power required for motor, net weight, and type of feed. Then the main difference between the shaper and planner is, in the shaping machine, the tool reciprocates and work is stationary. In this planning machine, work reciprocates and the tool is stationary. Then in shaping machine, work is fed across the tool, but in the planning machine, tool is fed into the work. In shaping machine, the feed is given to work during the ideal stroke cramp. In a planning machine, feed is given to tool during the ideal stroke of work table. In shaping machine, they are suitable for machining small workpiece only. In planning machine, suitable for machining large workpieces. Then only one tool can be used at a time. So the machining takes larger time, but the vertical and the side tool head can be used in the same time for machining in the planning machine. So the machining time is quicker in this planning machine. So setting the workpiece is easy in the shaping machine, but planning setting time is of the workpiece is difficult. And then in planning machine, only one workpiece can be machined at a time, but in planning machine, several workpieces can be machined at the same time. The tools are smaller in size, but in planning machine, larger size tools are used. In planning machine, the lighter and smaller piece only used, but the heavier and larger workpieces are used. So thank you.